To all my subscribers and friends, welcome back. And if you're new to this channel and you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Also, become a subscriber and hit that notification bell so that you can keep up on all the latest videos coming out. Thank you. I'd have to say, knowing what I know, and if I wasn't a plumber, this is what I would do if I didn't have any money to build me a shower system. And the package I'm opening up here, this is a Sharkbite. They call it a Wing 90, L90. These are going to be used for the spout, the tub spout, and the shower head. So we're going to have two of these that we're going to use. Now,